We're always being warned about sitting too much. So I wanted a stand-up desk, and now that I've tried it, I love it. Let me show you about this one. This one comes in pieces. You have to assemble the whole thing, but it's not hard. There's an instruction sheet that comes with it, and it has the desk pictured, and it has each part pictured, and it names each part with a letter or a number. So you just find the parts that match the picture. It will tell you how many of those parts are in the box and how many you need to use for that part of the assembly. So just follow this. It starts up here with the first step is number 1, then 2, and 3 and 4 are at the bottom. It's not hard at all. It just takes a little while. First, it starts with assembling the lower half of the legs. Of course, there's 2 legs, and there's a center support right here in the middle, and it screws in on the outside. You can see where the holes are for the screws. It's on this little piece that's attached to the leg. That's where you screw the support in. And then there is a screw that has a nut on this side. It's got a handle here too. I'm not quite sure what that one's for, but anyway, that's where it goes. So now you've got the bottom half assembled except for putting the wheels on. And they tell you to go ahead and put the wheels on, but don't do that because it's hard to manage with the wheels on. It keeps rolling around on you. Just find these pieces for the top of the leg. There's 2 of those. There is 1 single bar in the box, and it goes at the top, very top of the top part of the legs. And that is the support for the legs at the top, and that's what the top sits on. So when you get that bar in there in the middle, turn the whole thing upside down, turn the top upside down, and set this whole assembly on it. And then you can see exactly where the screw holes are to put the top on. Then turn it all over and put the wheels on. The wheels just push up into it. If your desk won't roll, that means your brakes are on. You have to have the brakes off of each wheel. But when you want to work on it, do some work on the desk, and you don't want it to move, just put the brakes on those wheels. It's just a little lever on each wheel that pushes down against the wheel, and then it won't go anywhere. I really like it, and you would probably like it too if you're looking for a stand-up desk. Just click on the link below and go to the Amazon product page and try one for yourself. I want to thank the brand for sending me this so that I could make this video to tell you about it.